Hey, rail fans and model railroaders. It's Steve from Getting Back on Track with Steve. Now, Roxy and I, we took a little break because we were taking care of family business. We've been getting Dad's house ready for sale, emptying out the contents. But that also means that we needed to tear down Dad's layout and move it on over here into the basement. So we've now got it all apart. We got it stacked up against the wall down here. And on a future video, we're going to go to work on getting an O-scale layout put together as part of our channel and a tribute to Dad. Now, all of my brothers and sisters and grandkids of my folks all came, and some of the spouses, we all got together. We had a memorial for Dad, and they gave us a lot of help with taking care of things over at the house. So it was really good to see everybody together and for everybody to be here to memorialize my dad. So it was a good time. There's 6 of us kids, and we don't get together that often because we're spread out all over the country. So it was really nice to see everybody. And I'm really thankful for the family that I have because everybody is really supportive of each other. Now, as you can see, there's plenty to do on this layout. And going forward, Roxy and I are going to start working on terrain, setting up buildings. We've got a whole town to build out here on the peninsula. We got an industrial area at the top of the peninsula across the back. And then on this side, we're going to create a mountain tunnel. We've got a river. We've got a lot of work to do. So a lot of videos coming out. So Dad's train is leaning against the wall over there. One of our top videos is going to be putting his railroad back together and finishing it up for him. And I'm looking forward to doing that, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So if you look at our channel, we've got 90 videos up there now. And I can't hardly believe it's been just about a year and we've got so many videos already. That seems like a huge number, but we're just plugging away, and we're so happy that you guys have joined us and supported us all along this journey. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to create a lot more content as we start scenic out this layout and start 3D printing buildings, scratch building buildings, and getting the whole thing so it's as realistic as we can possibly do. It's a big learning journey, and we're looking forward to sharing it with you. So we'll see you again here real soon on Getting Back on Track with Steve and Roxy. Bye, all.